Hey everyone, welcome back. This is George, also known as Florida Railroad Dog from the Nico Roman Railroad. Well, today we have this very special guest here at Nico Roman Railroad, and he's gonna give us a special treat. Let's go meet this guy. This is Yardmaster Nick with the Roman Nico Railroad. He's been with us for a little bit over 15 years. And as a yardmaster, he's got access to all the locomotives. So I put in a little request, and he said, sure, why not? We'll do it on Sunday. And he's going to give us an in-cab ride on this beautiful GP9 FEC number 663 and this beautiful FEC GP38 number 506. Well, let's go jump in the railroad. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. Let's say goodbye to Nick. Thanks, Nick. If you liked the video, thumbs up, subscribe, click the little bell button. Happy railroading. Bye.